I'm going to be showing how to do a quick tousled half up, half down look. You will be starting by adding wave with a curling iron. Hold the curling iron vertically and start at the mid shaft, curling the hair using the clamp. Drag out each curl while it is still hot and leave out the ends for a more loose effect. Continue this technique around the entire head, switching directions of each curl. Spray in texture spray to start breaking up the curls. You can use your fingers or a brush to break it up. Tease the crown of the head, taking horizontal sections. The tease will add padding for your bobby pins to hold into so that they don't slip out. Shake out the tease using your fingers to make sure no tease is showing. Take two large sections from the front of the hair and direct them backwards. Tie them into a double knot, then hold the knot flat to the head to add in bobby pins. I like to keep my bobby pins closed so that it holds the entire style. Once the style is holding in place, you can pull apart the knot to get it to look how you want. Then tuck the end of the hair sticking up. Then take a step back and make sure everything looks how you want. Once it is, finish with texture and/or hairspray.